Commercial Manager Alan Moramoro said that the SPPNG hunters are very keen supporters of education initiatives and are happy to support with the launch of the Rugby Player reader. The role model for the reader is Ase Boas, both former SP hunters and Kumul player. Ase Boas is currently playing for the Agmark Rabal Gurias and has also been Book Bilong Pikinini's community ambassador since 2016. The reader will be used as part of Book Bilong Pikinini's early childhood education program to motivate the children to think about their future career choices. In addition to being a great tool for literacy, this reader will also encourage the children to have a healthier lifestyle, which includes eating local foods, drinking lots of water, and getting plenty of sleep, all key ingredients to be a successful athlete. Book Bilong Pikinini has already published 13 titles, which include a pilot teacher, store manager, ICT officer, farmer, dairy paramedic, architect, pastry chef, heavy equipment operator, engineer, pharmacist, and banker. Children enrolled at Book Bilong Pikinini's library learning centers across PNG will study the different professions with play-based learning activities, field trips, visits from professionals, and plenty of reading.
Next one, come.
Godwin Eki, Trukais.